Yawning isn't just a sign of boredom, it's your brain's built-in air conditioner. When you yawn, cooler air rushes through your nasal passages, cooling the blood in the cavernous sinus, a network of veins surrounding the carotid artery. This cooled blood then circulates to your brain, lowering its temperature and enhancing mental efficiency. Studies have shown that yawning frequency decreases when ambient temperatures exceed body temperature, indicating its role in brain thermoregulation. So, the next time you feel a yawn coming on, don't stifle it. Embrace it to keep your brain sharp,